In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a single item from Alibaba. We'll go step by step so you can confidently buy just one piece, even though Alibaba is known for bulk orders. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. Click the official result to head to the home page. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in so checkout is smooth and your shipping details are saved. Next, use the search bar at the top to type what you want to buy. For example, you can type clothes women, but feel free to be more specific for better results. As you browse, pay attention to the details in each listing. You're specifically looking for items that allow a minimum order quantity of one piece. Many sellers set higher minimums, so look for MOQ1 or similar wording on the product tile or in the product description. When you find a listing that offers a single piece purchase, click into it to open the product page. This is where you'll see photos, color and size options, pricing, shipping estimates, and seller ratings. It's a good idea to skim the reviews and look for trade assurance to add an extra layer of protection for your order. On the product page, click Start Order to begin, then choose the color you want from the available options. Select your size next, and double-check any size charts the seller provides since sizing can vary by manufacturer. If you see a plus sign next to the size or quantity selector, use it to set the quantity. For a single item, make sure the quantity is set to 1. Click Start Order again to proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to choose your payment method. Options can include card payments and other secure methods supported in your region. If you don't already have a saved card, you'll be asked to add one. Select Add a new card, then carefully enter your card details. Ensure your billing address matches your bank's records and review the total price, including shipping and any taxes or fees. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to save your payment method. Finally, click Pay Now to submit the order. You should see a confirmation screen and receive an order confirmation in your account and by email. From there, you can track your order status on Alibaba, message the seller with any questions, and watch for shipping updates. And that's it. Your single item purchase is complete.